Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll check out a lightweight, budget-friendly LED monitor that supports 24/7 operation with low energy consumption and still displays vivid images. Introducing the Dahua Commercial L Series monitor. Here's the product box. You can see the basic information here. The L Series monitor comes in 19-inch, 22-inch, 24-inch, and 27-inch. Today, we'll look at the 24-inch. Let's go! Inside is the user manual, the legal information booklet, a power adapter, a power cable, an HDMI cable, a stand, a base, and the monitor. Setup is super easy. Here is the product fully assembled. As I said, this is the 24-inch monitor. You can see its basic specs here. The monitor comes in a lightweight, cost-effective shell, making installation incredibly easy. Additionally, the downward-facing interface helps prevent obstruction by providing easy wire access when hanging on a wall. This monitor offers vivid colors with no ghosting or blurring. It has a quick response time, 75 Hz refresh rate, and resolution of 1920 by 1080 for a full high-definition display to see more details in your images and videos. The L Series monitor supports 24/7 operation with low energy consumption to provide continuous monitoring at a low cost. Great for security control rooms, shopping centers, and other monitoring stations. Overall, the Dahua Commercial L Series monitor is a cost-efficient and high-quality picture monitor, which provides 24/7 high-definition images and videos. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living. All right, great job, everyone. Don't worry about the monitor. You can just leave it on.